The NIA has widened probe in the November 10th Delhi blast case, in which 15 lives were lost. Important to understand that sources have told NDTV that several teams from the Delhi Police Special Cell are in Kashmir and they are working with the NIA to conduct investigations and raids. Meanwhile, the NIA team has also recovered a flour mill and, apart from other things such as electrical machines, from the house of a taxi driver living in Faridabad's Dhauj village late on Wednesday night. Now, according to sources, Muzammil used to grind urea in the flour mill in the room, and then he also used to in fact refine it using the electrical machine and then collect it. Now, the probe has also revealed that as many as 12 videos have been recovered from Umar's mobile phone. In these videos, Umar can be heard invoking Afghan Mujahideen, and it is also said that he has shared videos of radical Islamists to influence young professionals.
We are right now at the Dhauj village in Faridabad, where the Faridabad police is conducting search and raid operation. They are going to all the shops and market areas that are situated few meters ahead of the Al Falah University. Now remember, many of the faculties who were studying and teaching in the university were involved in the Delhi blast, after which we are seeing that the Faridabad police is conducting search and raid operation. Remember, a few days back, a shop was raided because a grinder and stabilizer machine was in fact recovered from the shop, which Muzammil was using so that he could mix and grind urea and turn it into a fine mixture so that it could be used to prepare the explosive. Now we are seeing that after the incident, the Faridabad police is constantly holding the search and combing operation so that they can go to several different market areas and shop. They can track the individuals, the shopkeepers, whose shop this is, who are the shopkeepers, are they presently here at the shop or not, did they know Muzammil, or did Muzammil or his associates ever visit these areas, and what were the links of Muzammil here while he was staying for 3.5 years inside the premises of the Al Falah University. With camera person Rakesh Mahale, this is Anushka Garg for NDTV.